Welcome to Anglia Car Auctions. It is the week after the sale. We had a fantastic two-day sale here in Kingsley, and the August sale was a great success. Over 80% of the lot sold, over £2 million. Cracking, absolutely cracking. Now you may ask, why am I standing next to one of the lots in the sale, one of the David Brown cars, the Land Rover? It's the first vehicle we pulled out. I said, why am I standing next to this? It's already sold. That was last weekend. Why am I here? Well, I'm going to talk to you about this Land Rover. Many of you said this is beyond help. It is just a pile of scrap. I would disagree. I love a Land Rover. It's a 1951 Land Rover Series 1 80-inch, and yes, this is a huge project, but we like a challenge. So Anglia Car Auctions, in maybe a moment of madness, have purchased this Series 1 80-inch Land Rover, and our aim is to do some good with it with your help. So those of you that watch these videos, our customers, our friends, madcap idea, but we're going to restore it with your help. It's going to be a joint effort, and the aim when it's finished, and we haven't put a time scale on it as of yet, is that we will be auctioning this Land Rover for a very, very worthwhile cause. Now, we've for many years supported the Lennox charity, and it's a charity that's established for the care of children and their families with cancer. So a very worthwhile cause, but we will then be auctioning this when it's completed, with 100% of the sale proceeds going to the Lennox. So I'm sure you'll all agree, although it's a bit of a madcap idea, it's a very, very worthwhile one. Things that we will need. How can you help? How can you get involved? We need people's time. We need people's expertise. Perhaps you're one of the manufacturers of the replacement chassis or bulkheads. Perhaps you can help rebuild the engine, the gearbox, do some of the galvanizing, replace some of the aluminium, maybe some of the paintwork, rebuild the dials, rebuild the steering wheel. And it's an opportunity for us in our regular updates on this vehicle and on this restoration to showcase the best that the British classic car community, all of the trades that are involved in this, can get involved, and how they really are a jolly good bunch. So please get involved, please get in contact with us, and I wish you a wonderful weekend. Take care.